The Danube River, Europe's historic waterway. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Absara Studio. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey along the iconic Danube River, often referred to as Europe's historic waterway. Stretching across multiple countries, this majestic river has played a pivotal role in shaping the cultural, economic, and historical landscapes of Europe. Join me as we explore the Danube's rich tapestry, from its source in the Black Forest to its delta in the Black Sea. Let's dive into the heart of Europe's history and unravel the stories that this ancient watercourse has to tell. Danube River. The Danube River, proudly claiming its position as the second longest river in Europe, embarks on a winding odyssey spanning approximately 2,860 kilometers, 1,780 miles, and gracefully coursing through 10 countries. Beyond its sheer length, the Danube is not merely a watercourse but an essential lifeline, a vital trade and transportation route that has woven together the diverse cultures nestled along its banks for centuries. Its historical importance as a conduit for economic development is evident in the myriad cities and countries it touches, including the picturesque landscapes of Germany, the architectural marvels of Austria, the cultural richness of Hungary, the historical tapestry of Serbia, and the enchanting vistas of Romania. These key countries and cities along the Danube contribute to a vibrant and diverse cultural tapestry, making it a dynamic force that transcends geographical boundaries and stands as a testament to the river's profound impact on the collective history and heritage of Europe. Geological formation and source of Danube. River. Embarking on its geological origins, the Danube River commences its remarkable journey in the verdant embrace of the Black Forest, Germany, where it springs to life through the harmonious convergence of two smaller rivers, the Bregach and the Breg. This origin story unfolds against the backdrop of a visual exploration of the Black Forest, a captivating journey that underscores not only its natural beauty, but also its critical significance as the wellspring of the Danube. As the river begins its course, the importance of this source region becomes evident. The pristine environment imparts a unique clarity and purity to the Danube's waters. The unspoiled landscapes of the Black Forest contribute not only to the physical beginnings of the river, but also to the character and quality of the Danube as it meanders through diverse terrains, leaving an indelible mark on the river's identity and the experiences it offers to those who traverse its path. The Danube's river flow through Europe. Embarking on a detailed exploration of the Danube's course unveils a captivating journey through each country it gracefully traverses, revealing a tapestry woven with key landmarks, vibrant cities, and cultural treasures. As we navigate this historic waterway, our focus turns to iconic landmarks that punctuate its meandering route, such as the majestic Melk Abbey in Austria, the awe-inspiring iron gates in Serbia, and Budapest's iconic chain bridge. Each landmark serves as a testament to the river's historical and architectural significance, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of the regions it touches. Beyond the visual splendor, a thoughtful discussion ensues on the Danube's profound role in history, how it has functioned both as a natural border and a unifying force, seamlessly connecting diverse cultures along its picturesque banks. This multifaceted narrative unfolds as we traverse the Danube's path, illuminating not just the physical beauty of the river, but the cultural and historical threads that bind the regions together, shaping the identity of the communities that call the Danube home. Historical significance of Danube River. Delving into the historical importance of the Danube River unveils a narrative intricately woven into the tapestry of ancient civilizations, with a particular focus on its pivotal role during the Roman Empire. Unraveling the historical threads, we explore how the Danube served as a vital trade route, fostering economic exchanges and cultural interactions that left an indelible mark on the regions it connected. Zooming in on the Danube's profound impact on the Roman Empire, our exploration extends to its strategic importance as a natural boundary and crucial waterway for both military maneuvers and expansive trade networks. As we navigate through history, our attention shifts to subsequent events where the Danube continued to play a crucial role, becoming a backdrop for conflicts and serving as a conduit for cultural exchanges that shaped the course of European history. The Danube emerges not only as a geographical entity, but as a dynamic force that, through the ages, has shaped the destiny of the civilizations flourishing along its storied banks. Cultural significance of Danube River. Delving into the rich cultural heritage along the Danube unveils a profound exploration of its impact on art, literature, and music, shaping a narrative that transcends geographical boundaries. Our journey takes us through the inspired realms of artistic expression, with a special focus on masterpieces that have drawn inspiration from the river's majestic flow. A spotlight on renowned works, including the iconic waltz, the Blue Danube, composed by Johann Strauss II, underscores the river's influence on classical music and its enduring imprint on cultural consciousness. Beyond the artistic realm, our exploration extends to the vibrant tapestry of festivals and events that line the Danube's course, providing a platform for communities to celebrate its cultural significance. These gatherings foster a sense of shared identity, creating a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation that echoes the timeless resonance of the Danube through the expressive mediums of art, literature, and music. Economic importance of Danube River. An in-depth examination of the economic importance of the Danube reveals its pivotal role as a vital economic artery, seamlessly facilitating trade and commerce across the regions it traverses. Our exploration extends to the historical and contemporary dimensions of trade and commerce along the Danube's banks, unraveling a narrative of bustling industries and flourishing markets that have developed in tandem with the river's flow. From historical trade routes to the modern era, we delve into the ongoing significance of the Danube as a crucial channel for transportation and industry. The river's navigability and strategic location have fostered economic hubs and industrial development, turning its banks into vibrant corridors of trade. As we navigate through the economic currents of the Danube, the river emerges not only as a natural waterway, but as an economic lifeline, shaping the prosperity of the communities that have thrived along its historic course. Delta and the Black Sea along Danube River, embarking on the exploration of the Danube Delta, our journey unveils the intricate tapestry of one of Europe's largest and best-preserved river deltas. We delve into the unique ecosystem that characterizes the delta, a haven for biodiversity shaped by the confluence of the Danube's waters and the Black Sea. This exploration takes us through the labyrinthine network of channels, marshes, and lakes, where the river's sediment-laden flow gives birth to an ecological marvel teeming with diverse flora and fauna. As we navigate this natural sanctuary, our focus shifts to the grand finale of the Danube's journey, the point of convergence with the Black Sea. This culmination marks not only the end of an epic odyssey, but also a dynamic interplay of freshwater meeting saltwater, creating a delicate balance in this transition zone. The discussion encapsulates the ecological significance of this meeting point and the environmental richness that defines the Danube Delta, serving as a testament to the river's enduring impact on the landscapes it shapes. As we reach the culmination of our multifaceted journey along the Danube, a reflection on its intricate tapestry reveals a compelling narrative woven with key historical, cultural, economic, and environmental threads. From the source in the Black Forest to the expansive delta, our exploration has unveiled the river's role as a vital trade route, a cultural muse, and an economic lifeline. Emphasizing the enduring significance of the Danube, it stands not just as a physical waterway, but as a symbol of European history, unity, and the captivating beauty of the natural world. This journey transcends geography, showcasing the river's transformative impact on the regions it touches. As we draw the curtains on this exploration, the story is incomplete without your perspectives. I invite you, our viewers, to engage in this dialogue. Share your thoughts, experiences, and additional insights in the comments section below. Your reflections add depth to this narrative, creating a dynamic exchange that mirrors the diverse currents of the Danube itself.